This is the LeafBlox Gutter Guard. This is the simplest method of keeping your gutter free of debris and snow while still allowing water to flow down to the downspouts. This is available for 5-inch and 6-inch residential gutters, as well as an 8-inch version for commercial gutters. So the construction of this is very simple, but it's super high quality. So the bristles themselves are made of black UV stabilized polypropylene, and it has a 12-gauge galvanized steel core. This product carries a 1-year customer satisfaction warranty plus a 10-year manufacturer's defect warranty. Before ordering LeafBlox, we need to figure out what size gutter you have. If you don't already know, if it's residential, chances are it's going to be a 5-inch or a 6-inch. If it's commercial, it's going to be larger than that. So basically, this is the rear of the gutter against the fascia. This would be the front of the gutter. You're just going to take a tape measure, and you're going to measure from all the way in the rear to this front lip in the front of the gutter. This one happens to be 5 inches. So you would order the 5-inch LeafBlox. A 5-inch LeafBlox is actually 4 1/4 diameter. So you're going to have gutter spikes every couple feet. You simply set the LeafBlox into the gutter underneath the gutter spikes, and it's going to hold it in the gutter nice and firm. It is a little bit compressed in there, and that's what you want. And this is going to keep all the leaves and debris out while still letting the water flow through the gutter. So over the years, we've talked to lots of customers. A lot of customers have bought the LeafBlox. We get great feedback on this product. Many of them have mentioned that they've tried other solutions. There's tons of gutter guards, techniques, different products out there. You know, the main things you're going to see is like a gutter cover. This is a solid cover where rain comes down, goes into the channel. You're going to see micro mesh. This lets the water through and the leaves are supposed to come over. You've got a metal style mesh like this. Some are very inexpensive. Some are very expensive. Some of these can go up to $35 a linear foot installed. We only carry one style, and that's the LeafBlox. We could carry every one of these options. We carry 5 or 6 different gutter guards if we wanted to, but we truly believe that LeafBlox is the easiest to install for the homeowner, for the contractor. It doesn't require any tools. It doesn't require professional installation. No screws, no brackets. Couldn't be easier. Slide in the gutter and you're done. When you come to a corner, you simply bend it to whatever angle you need to bend it to. If you get to the end of the run, you can actually bend it back 180 degrees, sort of squeeze it together, and it'll still fit in the gutter. All of our LeafBlox product is made in the USA, and it's compatible with all types of roofing. Because it never touches the roof material itself, it just lays in the gutter. It doesn't matter what type of roof it is. And one last thing, if you live in an area where you get snow and ice, we recommend using the LeafBlox alongside a good professional set of snow guards, and this is going to control the snow and ice sliding off the roof and protect your roof and gutter from damage. So if you have questions, give us a call, visit our website. We're happy to help you out with any of the LeafBlox products or any of the other products that we sell. Thanks for watching.